Вот.
Hello. So today we are going to have a favorite exercise of Natasha. We are going to work on our butts.
Булочки.
Right? Булочки in
Булочки
Russian.
in Russian.
Buns and whatever. So, and Natasha will demonstrate how to work on that so that Jennifer Lopez will be smoking nervously in the corner. All right. So, well, the exercise doesn't need any explanation because you can see what she's doing. Okay, Natasha, come on. Раз, два, три, четыре, пять, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. One more. Okay, so you see, like, to be perfect, you don't need to do very much. It's really a pleasure.
It's enough.
By the way, it's enough. Okay.
You can make a frog.
Yeah, this is the frog
You make
exercise.
stretching
Right.
for your булочки. Change the leg.
Exactly.
Считай, Надя. 3, 4,
5,
6, 7, 8. In English.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so you see, like, our trainer, our coach is just really a strong Russian woman. Сильная русская женщина.
Да.
And the beauty is there.
И повторяем.